Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. How are you doing today? And if you're doing well today, like this video and share this video. My crazy big black family, that's the channel you're watching. And again, happy Sunday to everybody, guys. I want to take this time and say thank you to all my new subscribers, and I would like to take this time and say welcome to my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. And if you're new on this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video. I would appreciate it. We would appreciate it on this YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today, guys? This is going to be just a Vlogtober day number 19 vlog. I am a day behind, so this will be Vlogtober day number 19. And right now, what I'm doing is I'll let you guys see. I am actually working from home, and I'm on the Cricut app right now, and I'm doing me a coming up with some t-shirt ideas, guys. So I'm just right now trying to figure out some nice ideas, and right now I just came up with that. And you're like, well, that's so cliche. Yeah, but I'm gonna do something more than that with it. So I'm just trying to, I literally sit for the longest before I figure out exactly what I want to do with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it bigger so I can see. I like that font, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that bigger, and then I'm gonna probably have this a little bit smaller. That's pretty, right? That font. I'm gonna go ahead and have it stretch it across like that. And what I'm gonna do, and I'm working from my Cricut app. I'm gonna go up here, and I'm going to, let's see, let's unlock that, and then I can make this longer. I want it to be a little bit longer. We'll stretch it to like, we'll go to 1099, then we'll lock it. Oh, we'll go the width to be shorter, so I'll decrease it. I think I want to do it a little bit longer. So guys, I'm just sitting home, working from home right now, trying to come up with some nice t-shirt ideas with some nice fonts, figuring out some fonts and working with it. And I was doing Uber Eats this morning, so right now I'm taking a little Uber Eats break. I'll be back out probably like around noon. So now I'm gonna do work from home and do my home-based business, which is custom printing. And then right now I'm just coming up with a t-shirt design. I think I'm gonna stretch that in a little bit, like that. And I'm gonna stretch that one out a little bit. Oh, let me unlock it up here, so then I can stretch it. And it's pretty easy. You go like that. We'll stretch that out a little bit. We'll go a little bit less. We'll go to 9.5. And we'll go right there, and is that 9.5 too? So we'll stretch that one out a little bit more. We'll go to 10. We'll go to 11. That one.
I like that. That's cute.
That's nice, right? And then we'll go up a little bit. And then let me see, lock this one. Yeah, guys, so that's what I'm doing today. October day number 19, guys. I am at home trying to come up with some t-shirt ideas and some printing ideas. I'm on my Cricut right now, and I'm seeing if I want to use this feature, or should I offset? Oh, actually, I'm gonna try to warp this. Let's see how it looks. Let's try this warp and see. That's what it does for the beauty. That's not bad. Let's try to unlock it again. Then let's try to see. Yep, I like that better. And then we'll warp this one Nope, I don't like that warp. See, I don't like that. So we're gonna undo it, the warp. Let's try. Let's try this one. Is that the same one? Actually, the black, that one doesn't look too bad. I feel like that's too much cursive writing, so I'm gonna change that. Take the warp off of that, undo that. I'll just leave that like that. We'll go like this. We'll just warp the bottom one.
Where's my black hoodie thing that you know?
We'll do that. We'll warp that one. And then we'll stretch it out a little bit. I think I'm gonna change that. And this is just like a little thing that Cricut has to change the way the writing. Let me try another warp and see how that looks. Yeah, I like that one better. I'll do that. Yeah, I like that one better. So I like that. And then I will see if I can lock that. Then we'll see if I can change the style of the font. Change the style. It can only go in regular. So let me see. I'm gonna make this smaller because it's pretty high. So I'm gonna unlock. That's unlocked, and then I'll just decrease it like that. Then let's use the offset feature. And I'm gonna do it a nice bold offset so it can stand out. I don't want to take away the circles. We'll do that one. And I'll apply that. And then I'm gonna change the color. Let's go with a pretty red. Get that, guys.
This is a nice video for people trying to learn.
Yeah, this is if you're learning how to do your Cricut. This is also a nice video for those folks. Who that red is bright, but it's really pretty. We'll do the offset on this one, and we'll do the same thing. We want it to be kind of bold. So if you're using your Cricut and you don't know what the offset button is, and you see it on your computer, that's what it does. It puts the shade in the background. So I want you see, if you notice, you'll see like little circles. Let's take those circles out. Yeah, let's do it like that. We'll make the bottom one bold, and then we'll apply it. And then we'll change that color. So we'll change it to actually red. I don't like the red, it's too popping. So we're gonna go with something subtle. We'll try the purple. Yeah, that looks pretty. We'll try the purple.
Yeah.
On that one, we'll take away the red. So what we did was we're gonna have to move this because we got too many shadings. We'll delete that, get rid of that, and then we'll just we'll change this back to the black color, and then we'll offset it right there. And I'm gonna go with a big offset, so I'm gonna stretch it out. Let's go a little bit more closer. Let's go with that one. We'll apply that. And then we'll go with the purple color, like that. And look at that, guys. That's not a bad a nice little shirt. I like that. And what we'll do is we'll move it down a little bit because those two T's are touching. So we'll go like that. And then we'll put it back into place. And then what we'll do is I'm gonna actually tilt this a little bit. Let's tilt it. We're gonna go like that. And then we're gonna put the words. Gonna tilt them too. Just like that. And we're gonna have them fit right in there like that. Look at that, guys. And then we're gonna go with that like that. We'll see if I can make my screen bigger, smaller. No, we'll make it bigger. Okay. And there you go. See, that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm just coming up with ideas, guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Vlogtober Day number 19, guys. My crazy big black family. We don't make content only. We also make merchandise, t-shirts, you know, custom printing, whatever you want. You know, mugs, t-shirts, sweatpants, sweatshirts, hats, cups, plates, you name it, we do it, guys. Don't forget, support small businesses. And you can reach us at www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. I'm just going to shop my business out. But yep, guys, happy Vlogtober Day number 19, guys. I am sitting around trying to come up with some t-shirt ideas while I wait on time to go out and do my Uber. That's not bad, guys. And I use the offset button, which is located right there on your Cricut. So try that out. And that creates like this type of situation right here, which is the background. And then I also use the warp button for Cricut for this one to make the letters go like a little bit. So you'll see shirts that have the words like seem like they're like kind of slanty with the cursor writing. Well, that's on this Cricut has it as the warp, so I use the warp button for that, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.